In this video, you'll learn how to change the background in Microsoft. To do so, your lists feel a bit more personal and visually organized. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch themes and pick a look that works best for you. First, go ahead and open Microsoft To Do on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Once the app is open, the first thing you need to do is choose the specific list you want to customize. Each list in Microsoft To Do can have its own look, so this change applies to one list at a time, not the entire app. Take a look at the left-hand side where your lists are displayed. Click on the list whose background you want to change. When you select it, the main area of the app will show the tasks for that list. Make sure you really are inside the correct list before continuing so you don't end up changing the theme on the wrong one. Now focus on the top right corner of the window for that list. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. This is where Microsoft To Do keeps extra settings and customization options for the current list. Click on those 3 dots. When you do, a small menu will appear with several options related to that list. Among those options, look for the one labeled Change Theme. This is the setting that controls the background and overall look of the list. Click Change Theme. As soon as you select it, a theme menu will appear on the screen. Depending on your version of Microsoft To Do, this might slide out from the side or pop up as a small panel, but the idea is the same. You'll see several background styles you can choose from. These might include solid colors, gradients, or images. Take a moment to scroll through the available themes. As you move your cursor over them or click them, you may see a live preview of how your list will look. This is helpful because it lets you quickly decide which background makes your tasks easiest to read. For example, if you have a lot of items or you use colored tags, a simpler, less busy background might make everything clearer. Pick the theme that feels right for you. Remember that you can always come back and change it later, so feel free to experiment a little. The goal is to choose something that makes your list pleasant to look at while still keeping your tasks easy to see. After you've chosen your preferred background from the menu, make sure your selection is saved. In many cases, Microsoft To Do will apply the change automatically as soon as you click the theme, but if you see an option to confirm or save, go ahead and do that. Once it's applied, take a quick look over your list to make sure the text is readable and the new background doesn't make anything hard to find. That's all there is to it. You've customized the background for your list in Microsoft To Do. You can repeat the same process for any other list you want to personalize, helping you visually separate different areas of your life like work, personal tasks, or school.